Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel Think Future Onwards. I am an accomplished professional and an extensive experience of over 20 years. The topic today selected is Excel Quick Analysis Tool. How professionally you can use them and save your time. It's very important to save the time. This tool will definitely help you in quick analysis and its built-in feature. So many professionals don't know about this feature. The quick analysis tool make it possible to analyze data quickly and easily using different Excel tools. You can use Excel analysis with a range of table of data. To quick analysis tool, select the cells that contains the data with the analysis. You can use it for formatting, preparation of your charts, making it sum, averages, and count functions. You can create your pivot tables. You can filter it out your tables and creating your SPARKLINEs. SPARKLINEs will show your data signals, either positive, either negative trends. So we are going to start our exercise now to how to apply. There is a short trick as well. You can just select your data, okay, and on your screen, on your keyboard, you can just click Control plus Q and it will appear. You can see this one. It can appear at the same time. Now, first option is with us, the formatting. It's showing the data bars, colors. It will make the colors for your data automatically. It is doing this one. Icon setting that either the positive trends, negative trends, parallel. You can see it over there. See here. You can see your trends as well. Which way these are going, positive, negative, right way, okay, all this you can see it here. Okay, so I'm going to again select, okay, I'm going to again select my data, and on this one, whatever you applied, you can make it clear. Here you can take the top 10. Okay, here you have the charts. You can apply line chart. You can use different charts horizontally, vertically. And if you don't need these charts, you can just click on this one, more charts, and it will open for you the other chart types as well. Recommended one. Okay. And here you can select all charts. Here you can take the pie chart, bar chart, area, a map, stocks, surface, radar, tree map, all histogram, box, whisker, waterfall, funnel, combo, all charts are available here. You can use any of them. I'm going to use this one and click OK. It is creating for me this chart. I can select, I can, here I have the option that how to format it, what data needs to be selected. I just need the series one. That's all. Okay. And it's applied on this one and it will show me that one only. So these are the things related to the chart. Now we are going to another option, which is total. Now we are going to make the sum. See, it is calculating automatically here, you can see, and if you remove any of the value, it will automatically update. See here, it is automatically updating. So it is very dynamic tool which can help you a lot in this area of analysis. Okay, again, we are going to go to the totals. You can put the averages. See, it is now showing the averages. Now, if you will click, it will show you the counts, total percentage wise, running totals, sum on the right side. This one, it will give you on your data on your right side. See here now, this is calculating for you here as a data on the right side. See here now, I'm going to total, average, count, percent, and running total. It's very easy. It's very convenient. See, I'm going to take the percent and it will give me the percentage wise data. Tables. I can create my pivot tables. You can see it here. what type of I'm looking for, average, count, standard. Okay, and as per my data, I'm going to click this option and it is giving me the data like this way now. So I have this coffee planet, and it will, if I want to see more details, I will just click on this plus sign and it will show me on which dates this available. Okay, so this is the tool. Now we are going to use another option, sparkling. Okay, this will show you, see the lines. I will remove this one and then I will show you this. What is its functionality area actually? That what sparkling will do, it will show you like lines like ECG, that how your data is performing. Okay, you can see here positively, negatively. You can see here in this column it is positive, 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 and in the last it is negative, and it is giving you some values in thousands and millions as well. You can count them as well. So you can use this tool. It's very handy tool to make a quick analysis. See, win and loss. You can see this one tables. I showed you the pivot tables as well. Now sparkling lines. And this one, it will show you the column-wise information that how it is performing. This is very important tool. Every professional should learn about it, and it will save your time. It will give you a very good view of your data in a very quick manner. I think so. I hope you enjoyed this video. And before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get updates when we put up new videos. Thank you very much.